Are you still buying these? Ha! These are where it's at. Hey guys, I just wanted to record a quick video on the batteries that I'm using for my Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. When I first bought the truck, I went ahead and purchased the Traxxas 3-cell 4000 milliamp hour LiPo, and that's part number 2849X, so this guy right here. This is going to be a little bit shorter of the 3-cell LiPo from Traxxas that fits in the stock battery hold down in the Rustler 4x4. And honestly, this thing was great. It worked great. I probably used it for about 6 months, and then I started getting the warning lights on my Traxxas ID charger. It just won't take a charge anymore. I still have it. I haven't disposed of it yet, but I did discharge it, so I don't really use it anymore. But I was thinking about purchasing another one of these, but then I was really thinking, like, you know what, let's try another battery. Might as well, because these things are so expensive. Are they really worth the money that you pay for them? I was looking around. I saw lots of different brands of batteries. I saw HRB, I saw Pavway, I saw the Z Power, Hovu. There's a bunch of different brands out there. So I really wanted to just, see for myself if these other types of batteries are worth it. So I found these HRB packs, and I know I put the little Traxxas sticker on there, but really that's just to. I just put there's a red one and a white one, just so I know kind of which one. I'm like, all right, so I just charged the white one, so the white one's charged, the red one's not, etc. But so far I've had these batteries I'm going to say about 2 months now. They are awesome. I mean, they are every bit as powerful, and the run times are basically identical. I'm really hard on the truck. If you've seen any of my other videos, I definitely replace a lot of parts frequently. So having multiple batteries is great. And probably the best thing about it is both of these batteries together are $58 right now on Amazon, $58.99 for both these batteries, okay? This one on Amazon right now is $84.99, so $85, this is $60. You could buy almost a third one of these. You could buy, sorry, my GoPro just went off. You could buy almost a third HRB pack for one Traxxas pack. Now, again, I've heard, they're specifically designed and tuned for your Traxxas model. I kind of find that to be a little bit of nonsense, honestly. The HRB packs have been nothing but reliable. As you can see, I mean, they're not puffed or anything like that at this point. Like I said, I've had them a couple months. We'll see how long these guys last. If you guys have any suggestions, if you have any thoughts on these HRB packs versus the Traxxas, maybe some people swear by the Traxxas because they're so easy, you just plug it in one plug. For children, I definitely would recommend these, only because, again, they're kind of stupid proof. You just plug it in, you push the start button on your Traxxas ID charger, you're done. With these, you have to plug in the balance port, you have to plug in this cord, you have to hold down both buttons, and you have to do a couple of the little steps. I could always make another video on how to do that. So you can charge non-Traxxas batteries with your Traxxas ID charger, if you didn't know that already. There's tons of YouTube videos out there showing you how to do it. But so far, so good on these. I honestly highly recommend these batteries. They do a great job. I'll have a link in the description of where to get these guys on Amazon. Typically my links are going to always have the least expensive price. Highly recommend these batteries. I really don't see the point of buying really super expensive Traxxas batteries at this point. These HRBs came with the Traxxas connector already on it, so no need to solder or anything like that. It's pretty much plug and play with these guys, and it's, like I said, much cheaper than the Traxxas ones. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Please give this video a big like, subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Stay safe out there, guys.